Hey everyone, and welcome to Piano Lab with Kyle, where practice meets artistry. So today I want to talk about something a lot of adult pianists struggle with, but almost nobody explains clearly. Why does slow Beethoven feel so hard? You'd think slow equals easy, right? But it's kind of the opposite. Slow music actually demands way more intention and control. And Beethoven, he's the master of exposing you. I remember a student asked me once, why can I play fast stuff with more confidence than slow stuff? Like, shouldn't the slow stuff be easier? The thing is, in slow music, everything slows. Everything shows. Every timing choice, every breath, every balance between voices. It's like turning the lights on things all the way up. There's nowhere to hide. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Okay, so here it's technically correct, but it's missing shape. So compare it to this. See how the rests, like the silences, they actually say something? They're not just gaps. That's what I mean when I say silence is sound too. They're part of the phrase, like punctuation in a sentence. So if we break this down, there are really three big reasons slow Beethoven feels impossible. First, slow music demands internal hearing. If you don't already hear the phrase in your head, your body can't execute it cleanly. Second, you've got to treat the silence like music because it carries emotional weight. And third, you need to actually make phrasing choices before you play. Slow music means exposed music, so it forces you to decide. It's like, how are you actually going to practice this? So let's get practical. Here are a few things that I recommend. Before you even touch the keys, take 30 seconds and hear the phrase internally. Sing it in your mind and get the shape and direction of it. When you do play, treat the rests like breathing points. Don't rush them. Breathe with the rests. And play it with shape, not just the rhythm in the notes, but where is this phrase actually going? Where does the tension build? Where does it land? Beethoven didn't write this to be easy, he wrote it to mean something. And when you really engage with that intention, it becomes powerful. And if you actually want to hear me play more Beethoven, including the full movement, you can check out my performance channel here on YouTube. I've got recordings up there from back in the day, like actually this one was from high school. So that's a very old recording. And some more recent ones there too. Alright, so that's it for today. If you found this helpful, subscribe and hit the bell because I've got some more videos coming up on adult piano learning, practicing smarter specifically, and making music that actually feels human. And let me know what you think in the comments. What are some slow pieces, maybe by Beethoven or maybe by some other composers that you're working on right now? This is Piano Lab with Kyle, where practice meets artistry. Thanks for watching.